question, I was able to put in the return for the first one to be able to print out 4 in one list. Then I used that to be able to make a list of 8 in the list that would print this. I have to comment this out. This prints out a list of 8. And then for question 2, it was to print 100. I was also able to do that. But then the next question was to do the count and using the Boolean. That I was not able to do. I tried, but I've been doing this for 3 days, so I figured if I didn't get it by the 3rd day, I don't think I know how to do it. So I got the list of 100, but when I tried to do the count and assign it to the sum, that was undefined. I believe they say it's undefined, even though I connected to it. And when I used the Boolean for the if and, that also did not print what I needed. So I don't know how to do 3 or 4, but I tried, and